Okay, boys and girls, we are on the last part of Monday's reading. Just before we get to the paper that you're going to do, I want to do a few cards of animals as a review of today's story. And part of that is because I want to talk about action words. And action words are called verbs. It means things that you can do. The duck rode his bike. So riding or rode is an action word because it's something that he could do. When he rode past the cow, what did he do? He waved. Can you wave? Okay, so he waved at the cow. Okay, and what'd the cow say? Moo. Good. How about this? What is this? A goat. What was the goat doing? What did we see him? He was next to what? He was next to the garbage can. And what did he think about that bike? He wanted to eat that bike. Would eating be an action word? Yes, because it's something we can do. Okay? And he had pushed over the garbage can. Can you push? Pretend you're pushing something. Is that an action word? Yes. What's this? Horse. What did the horse say? Neigh. But what was the horse thinking? The horse was thinking, "You're still not faster than me." So a horse can gallop, he can run, he can jump. All of those things are action words, and that's called a verb. Two more. What was the dog doing? Yeah, he was running next to the bike. And he was wishing that he could ride a bike like Dog did. Or like Duck did, I'm sorry. Yes, but he was barking. Woof, 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 right? But he was thinking, I wished I could ride. And he was running. Two more verbs. Last picture. There were two pigs. Now, this is the one I couldn't remember. I actually had to go back and look at the book to remind myself. The pigs thought that Duck was being a show-off. Now, showing off, yeah, that could be an action word, couldn't it? Because a lot of the things that people do to show off, they're doing something, so they're acting a certain way. So that would be a verb. That one was kind of tricky. All right, so whenever you are doing something, you are making a verb, or it is a verb. So I want you to be thinking about that, like if you're playing outside, you can think, what verb am I doing right now? What action am I doing right now? Or maybe you can ask your parents, what action did you do today? They'll go, huh? What? You can show them how smart you are. All right, last part. Your paper for today is going to look like this. On one side, this is page 23, and it has the I and the T, It has Happy in the middle. Wonder if Happy's coming this week. It has our duck book. It has a couple pre-decodables. It has See and Go, which we've already done. And it has a boy on wheels. Let's look at the other side. And this is the part that you're going to do. And we want you to upload this to your teachers so that they can see how you did on it. You are going to put lowercase t's here, and it says, say the name of each picture. Identify the sound that you hear at the beginning of each picture name. Circle each picture whose names begin with the same sound as turtle. So if it starts with t, like turtle, you're going to circle it. If it doesn't start like t, then you're going to leave it alone. And at the end, very neat T's. Now this is an interesting one because even though it's lowercase, you still need it at the top and the bottom. I call it the upstairs and the downstairs. And then you make the line right across the dotted line. It's actually kind of easy to make, but when it's easy, then sometimes we go too fast. All right, I will be looking for these online from my students, and your teachers will be looking for them from you. So make sure you upload this, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.